Hey budget friends, if you are new to the channel, I am an Australian cash stuffer and I do zero-based budgeting while also cash stuffing as well to help with the zero-based budget. If you are returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the support that you have given me. I honestly can't believe that we're in 2022 and what a year it's going to be for everybody. I'm hoping, that with my journey, we're going to see a lot of more savings, because if you haven't, and I'll leave a card above, I did the target episodes or the target challenge, and that's where I was able to save up all of my bill money for this year and be 1 year ahead. Not 1 month, not 1 day, but 1 year ahead. And I am so grateful, and honestly, I am hungry to smash out this year with the budget of not having to budget for bills. Anyway, let's get cash stuffing. Okay, so let's just talk about my cash breakdown. I have two 100s, 950s, 920s, 110 and 75s. This all equated to $875, which I will be stuffing for this video. Also, I have money here, which I will tell you guys about when I stuff this amount. So let's get on with stuffing my cash wallet. And I am quite late in this video this cash stuffing, so spending isn't getting anything. Bub will be getting $5. I do have to pretty much put my envelopes into the laminator because they are a bit just falling apart, I would say. Food shop will be getting $75. I usually stuff $180, but we are late to the game, so I've spent that money, some of the money already, so $75, sorry. Fuel shop will be getting $20. Takeout isn't getting anything as we have already used that amount. So that is it for my wallet. Okay, so starting off with my short-term binder, and you might find that this binder has changed with the content of the envelopes. I have reorganized a lot of my envelopes, and if you did watch my last stuffing, I did reveal certain new envelopes that is actually in this binder, but let's go through them together. So birthdays is going to get $25, and it has let's put that together before we count. So now birthdays has 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 25. So 225. I have done up all the new, given all of the envelopes new trackers, and just pretty much carry the amount over. So if you're interested in this tracker, it is available in my Etsy store. And each binder has a certain color, so it's purposely for the star collection, the star binders that I have going on, the star theme. So, but I mean, you can use it with any of your binders. Family time, can I just say, for those who have been following, I went to the hotel, staycation they call it, in Darwin for the New Year's Eve. And honestly, it was just beyond like amazing. And me and my partner have been talking about it, and we are going to start a tradition where we will be doing staycation for the New Year's Eve, because it was just really nice. Like, as a mum, so family time, sorry, is getting $125. It has nothing, so $51.25, as we used all of the money for the staycation. But yeah, it was really nice. Like, my son was just screaming when he opened that door. He was just like, yeah, it was his first experience and he loved it. Date will be getting $25. Events, I used all of the money in here for the New Year's Eve, so I'm starting all over again, and this will be getting $25 as well. Health will be getting $20. So now it has 30. And this is for anything to do with, you know, just going to chemists, or anything to do with gym. Luna, which is our four-legged friend, she has money here. So she will be getting $5. Now she has $25.30. Household will be getting $10. So now household has 20, 40, 50, 60. And I will be honestly concentrating on this particular envelope because I actually got rid of my home envelope, and I'm going to be putting money into this envelope for anything to do with household or house, I would say. Now this is a new one to this envelope. It is my house insurance. Now, with the Target challenge that I did last year, I decided to not include the house insurance into it because this year will consist of us moving, and it's all up in the air with when we're moving. So this one, I've decided to put it into the short-term binder just to just to continue it until we move. So house insurance will be getting 20. And this is a new one that you guys might have seen in my last cash envelope stuffing, and this is meat shop. So I found that with my expense envelope with the food shop, I was pretty much paying a lot of the money towards meat and not towards you know, the veggies, the snacks and stuff. So I definitely want to keep stuffing this to the point where I can lower the food shop expense to account for the meat shop. So meaning that I can just purely use the food shop money for other things besides meat and really hone in on trying to budget for the meat in our lives. So I just want to experiment and see how it goes. But yeah, so $20 will be starting this envelope, and I do want to use the meat shop money next month. I just want to save a little bit in January and see what is my total for spending on meat and stuff. But yeah, so nothing there. So we are done stuffing my short-term binder. Okay, so onto my long-term binder, and this has actually changed. I made these new envelopes for this binder. So you've got your Christmas, which I really like. You've got your grandma, gym, tires, PO box, holidays, technology, savings, and investing. So I'm not stuffing any of them except for one, which is my holidays. So this year we are planning to go to Melbourne next month in February, and we've got just a little bit of a timeline to save money for it. You guys might see a bit of a change in how much there is in this envelope because we were able to pay for our hotel and our flights. So this is just purely for spending money now. So we got, I will be adding $500. So let's count this together. 1, 2, 53, 54, 55. And now we have in the holiday envelope 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 58, 59, 50, 1,050. So $3,050 in our holiday envelope. And we do want to save at least about maybe 5,000 in this envelope to spend, because we do want to, like, we're just a foodie. We love to eat food. There's not much, like, there's so much variety in Melbourne. So we do want to, walk around in the city and stuff, eat a lot of the food, and just really do fun things in Melbourne. So that is done for our stuffing. Okay, so this money here is my son's Christmas money plus New Year's money. So let's count together what he has received over those two holidays. 51, 52, 53, 54, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. So $485 we will be stuffing into his binder. And I am so thankful that we were able to be surrounded by people who were willing to just gift him that kind of money. And I want to, do it for great, like put it into great use and stuff. So I've got his binder here. And starting off with Baba, this envelope will be getting $50. So Baba now has $1,150, and this money is going to be held to invest in his honor. On to birthday, And this envelope will be receiving 150, so 51.50. And we are going to be planning his birthday party this year. Well, we're gonna have a birthday party this year. He hasn't been able to, only because I've been super busy or just financially stretched. So yeah, so because of last year, we were able to plan a little bit, you know, with our budget and put away some money. I am now able to pretty much give him a birthday party, which I am so grateful for. So now he has 1, 2, 3, 54, 50 towards his birthday party. And they are quite expensive, like, you know, especially in Darwin, you got to reserve, you know, a couple months ahead on a Saturday. And yeah, just per person, food, drinks, decoration, my goodness, it's a lot these days. School will be getting $30, so 20 and a 10. School now has 51, 50, 70, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30. $230 for his school. Where we'll be getting $20, the last 20. Sports will be getting $100, so 51. So now sports has 1, 52, 53, 50, 70, 90, 400. And we are putting him into a holiday swimming class next week. So I will be using some of this money. And it's something to do for the holidays too, which is good to get out of the house. So Brain will be getting $10. Toys will be getting $10. Party will be getting $15, and this is pretty much to do with being invited to parties and, you know, buying gifts and a card. It costs a little bit of money. So party, we now have 20, 30, 45, 50. And body will be receiving $100. Now, I've decided this 100 will go towards his dentist appointment that I am organizing. So now body has 51, 52. But I will be changing, I think I'm going to be changing some of these envelopes name, I would say. Like, I think I'm leaning towards, instead of body, health, anything to do with his health. Yeah, so we are done stuffing for the first week of January 2022. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you guys stay safe and sanitize. I'll let you guys go. So have a lovely day. Bye.